Hey everybody, thanks for joining us. My name's Tracy and we are here for another episode of Beyond the Front Door. Hey everybody and welcome. We are at 230 Foxwood in Caryville in the Willows, in the woods at the Willows at Twin Cove. So Twin Cove is a full service marina on Norris Lake, super close to I-75. So we're in the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains on a TVA lake, Norris Lake, and we are really close to Twin Cove Marina. There's actually a path that we'll see in just a minute. And I want to show you this house because I think you're going to love it. Come on in. Welcome in. This house has it all. It's really got a cabin cottage feel, but it's not a cabin and it's not a cottage. It's truly a house, but you do have a craftsman style feel with this, and you've got so much wood detail. You have tongue and groove in the ceiling here. You've got the wood posts, the wood doors, beautiful wood floors. You really feel like you're in the mountains. You really feel like you're in a lake cabin. And you are, so it gives you the full feeling. You've got a really high ceiling in here, a vaulted ceiling. You've got a big fan, stacked stone fireplace, and great living space here on the main level. We're in the kitchen. So you've got black appliances, you've got a dishwasher, stove, and refrigerator. This island has storage here on the front. You've got space above the cabinets if you wanted to do any kind of decor or decorating, if you wanted to put things up there or just keep it clean like they've got it. You have the wood blinds, a big slider door here at the back with the fireplace. They've got their television just above the fireplace there. But this gives you a truly open feeling. And on this floor, you also have a full bath, a bedroom, laundry. But let's go outside first. I want you to see what we've got going on out there. Okay, let's talk covered porches. We are on the main level covered porch. So they've got a sectional sofa here, fireplace. You've got views of the mountains. You can see the lake. You can see it better in the winter and you can actually watch the boats, but right now you can still see it. But you can also see the path. So you've got a path that goes down to the marina. You can take a Polaris, a golf cart, whatever you've got, load up your gear, go down. Now this property has a deed for a slip. What that means is you can actually rent a slip at the marina and they're going to have a space for you. So they do those deeds and that just ensures that you can actually have a space. Most of the marinas have a waiting list. So you don't go on the waiting list. You're guaranteed if you pay for a slip, you can get one. So you can drive right down, go down to your boat slip and enjoy the lake. You don't have to worry about maintenance of a dock, moving a dock in and out or anything like that. So you do have that. Now, let's talk about these porches. You have a covered porch here. You have a covered porch downstairs. You have a covered porch on the front that we came in, and then upstairs you have a little tiny covered porch up there. So that's 4 covered porches in this house. Great space to spread out and enjoy being outside. How about that? Don't give me a chance to make an entrance. I enjoy it too much. Welcome on into the bedroom. Come on. This main level suite, you've got a full bath, you've got a bedroom, so this can be closed off or you can open it. That bedroom has a door and you can use this full bath for your guest in case you did a sleeper out here. Of course, laundry's right here. And this is the bedroom side of the main level. Okay, we're on the upper level. So we have a full bedroom with an attached bath and a little office space over here. Come over here and let's take a look at this. we found another porch. We're on the small porch upstairs, just off that upper level little office area. So on the upper level, we have a bedroom, an attached bath, and then the office space or loft space up here, and then this little private balcony out front. We're on the lower level. So down here, you've got 2 bedrooms, a den, a full bath, a little storage room, and inside that storage room is the hot water heater, and it's one of those tankless hot water heaters that's heated by natural gas, so you're not going to run out of gas. You're not going to run out of hot water in this house for sure. Okay, we're on the 4th covered porch that we have found in this house. So we're on the lower level just off the rec room, and this gives you a great little space down here, especially for guests that might be using this lower level. Now, just remember, this can be used for a short-term rental. So you've got tons of potential there. You've got space. You could actually put people, there's a full bath and bedrooms on every level, so you could spread your guests out. I think this would be very desirable. And again, there's the path down there that actually takes you down to the marina. We have loved this tour. I hope you have too. Again, short-term rental available here, a bedroom on every level, a full bath on every level, covered porches, 4 of them. Minutes to I-75, right by Norris Lake, and you can golf cart down to the marina. I can't imagine what would make this any better. Thank you so much for watching. Ask any questions that you have, like, share, whatever. But if you do have questions about this house or any other house, please just put it in the comments below, or send us a message on social media on any platform.